another cracker that I want to use. Let me come here. Let me download Kdenable real quick.
Professor, would I be able, if I have a step out, would I be able to see your download?
Yeah. Okay, now, listen up. 3 ways to crack a password. Instead of getting your test, so make sure you write this down. 1 is dictionary lookup. You can look up through a dictionary. Okay, so it's called the word list, dictionary attack. Again, if the word is not in the dictionary, you're not going to be able to crack it. So we're hoping that people are using, simple passwords. Second is brute force. Brute force is to say my password has from 4 to 10 characters, and I'm going to try every combination of characters, lowercase, uppercase, special characters, the whole thing. It takes a lot of time. We'll see some of that today. Okay? And the other thing is what are called rainbow tables. Now let's see if we can understand this concept. Don't worry about that. It's going to pick up it as malware. Okay, now. The one that's for the XP. No. Okay. All right, listen up. The way these password trackers work is there is what's called a password file. What? Yeah, sure, the malware. Okay. Now, what happens is when you enter a password like let's say dog, you don't store dog in any files. What you do is you create what's called a hash, and there are a couple algorithms. Listen up, people. So there's a couple hash algorithms. MD5, for example. There is Microsoft has LM, NT. So there's several different hash algorithms, and they take this and they convert it into some kind of cryptic sequence of numbers, letters and numbers. Okay? What a hash table does is, a rainbow table. A rainbow table has taken a list of words, a lot of words, and converted and created their hash equivalents. So instead of going through a dictionary, converting to a hash, applying it, taking the next word, converting it to the hash, and comparing it, the step of converting the text to hash has already been done. That's what a rainbow table is. So I'm going to ask you that on your test for sure. What is a rainbow table? A rainbow table is a table of words that their hashes have been pre-computed. So you don't have to do it line by line or word by word.
This is like MD5 and all these different
Exactly.
algorithms.
So you have to specify what dictionary you want to use, what encrypting hashing algorithm you want to use, and then you get a table. And you can buy these, and I'll show you where you can buy one. Yeah. What was that? A rainbow table. Okay. Think about it. The way you find it, you store a password in a hash point. So if you were going to use a dictionary and try to break that password, you would have to take an upper language, apply the hash, and then compare. Take the next word, apply the hash, and compare. Okay. Okay. All right. show you a couple things before my time runs out today.
Professor, if we have guest access to a computer, can we run Candy Neighbor?
If you have guest access to it, it might be get picked up by the firewall. Okay, let's go here. You don't have to go here. I'm going to go here. I'm just going to show you something. What's my class.com / the top 500 worst passwords of all time. And here you go.
6 6.
This is the worst ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, password, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay? So these are the top 500 worst passwords to use.
6 6.
Look at the interesting thing that I just saw right now. I think Florida is one of them. Wow. Okay. Now, these are the worst passwords you can have. Yeah. Okay, let me show you something else. Let me see if I can. Let me show you rainbow tables. Hold on. Download rainbow table. Okay, let's see. Okay. Look at this. Yeah, this is on the computer. This is where you get the rainbow tables. Look at this. Okay? This is a rainbow table for the XP. And look at this. These are free. This free one is 380 megabytes. And it has these characters. Look at the characters. 0, lowercase, uppercase. And it is using an MD5 checksum to verify the table has not been violated. This is a little bit bigger one. Okay?
There's a difference.
In this case, more words, more letters, and the difference is the encryption algorithm that it's using to create the hash.
It's the same.
Look at this. This one is not free. This is 7.5 gigabytes. This is what they call a German. Look at the difference here is how the length of the password. The German one goes all the way up to here and it has more symbols. So it has many more symbols. All of these are created for the LM hash, okay, which is the hashing that's used to crack passwords on XP. So the hashing algorithm is that, and the difference between the two are typically the combination that it's going to use, how many combinations you're going to use to do this. Let's go down here. This is rainbow table for Vista. 46, 600, 8 gigs. This one is for professional Vista.
60 gigs.
2 terabytes. Now these are not for free. Okay, let's see. Let's see how much it costs. I think they'll sell you the whole hard drive. They'll sell you a hard drive with it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you get a hard drive.
Here you go, bro.
Oh, that's gonna be about $100.
Get to 100.
No, that's 100 for just a hard drive.
Yeah.
Okay, look, it's $999. So everybody pay attention, right? So you can get a 2 terabyte rainbow table for $1,000.
Professor, but how is this legal? So they're profiting out of hackers.
What?
How long will that take?
Because you're not hacking. It's just
If you're gonna run it, you're probably gonna run it on several machines at the same time.
yeah.
So think what you're doing. What you're doing is you're comparing. This table has all of these hashed passwords, okay? And all they're doing is, so you want to break this one password, you're taking that one and comparing it to that, the next one, the next one. So you're going to, let's say, there's now 2 terabyte passwords, but that's how big the hard drive has to be to hold those. Yeah. Oh, let's do it up Canaan angle. What the heck? Yeah, it's got a firewall. We're not going to use that feature of it. Okay, you are responsible for this, for your test, so pay attention. Okay. As you notice, there are many capabilities here. It's a sniffer, it can do trace route. All we're going to focus on today is for cracking passwords. So, crack passwords. Now notice here are all of the different hashes that exist. All the different hashes that exist. Notice up there, LM and Met LM, which is Microsoft, and you have over here, like I said, MD5. Let's find out something. If I know the algorithm that's being used is MD5, and we have a password like I don't know, what? Give me a nice password. Let's say test pilot. Let's use test pilot. Okay. Now you're responsible for this. So notice, click MD5. Now we want to add a hash to test. So we're going to go to Tools, Calculator, Hash Calculator. And I'm going to enter the word test pilot. Test pilot. And I'm going to say calculate. Now look what I'm getting here.